Hold that part.
Need help?
Push it down.
There we go.
Whoa.
I think you pull it and I'll hold the box.
Whoa. Whoa, it's huge. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Whoa. So cool. This is huge. This one's the hardest one. Probably. I don't think. Oh, look. Look how much there is. There we go. Yeah. Wow, good job. All done.
This is the My Little Pony one. Now Alyssa's favorite color.
Yeah.
Now she loves pink.
Lots of pink.
Because you love me.
I do love pink.
Here we go.
Clown nose. Here, look, I'll make sure none of it spills.
Get them out. Oh, yeah. Okay, Michael.
Whoa, good job. Those blues look really cool in there. They make it look good.
Ready to test yours?
Yeah.
Oh, she got green.
That's cool.
Whoa,
Yeah.
it goes really fast.
Are you guys ready to try it out?
That was fast. Cool.
Are you guys ready for your first challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, here's how it's gonna go. The first team to get 3 green gumballs out wins. Okay, so it's Zach and David, Chris and Alyssa, and Michael with Daddy. Okay, on your mark. Get set, go.
Go, Michael, go. Scooter.
Keep going, Michael, keep twisting.
Oh, they've got 2 greens. Oh, Michael got 2 greens. Everybody has 2 greens. Oh, you
Michael
guys
got
are
his
so
third green
close.
right after that.
Oh, Michael got 3 also.
Give me 5, Michael. Good job.
That last one was so much fun, we decided to do a second one.
Yes.
Okay, this time we're going for pink.
We're probably
Okay, first team to get 3 pink wins. On your mark, get set, go. Does anybody have a pink yet? Okay, David and Zach got a pink. I think we might have a tie. Let's see.
It's a tie.
3 and 3. Well, last round we had a tie, so we're gonna do a tiebreaker round. This time we're going for 3 blues.
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go.
Okay, we got a silver. Another green.
Uh-oh, you guys better hurry. You guys have 3? Oh, man. Oh, man. They blew you guys out of the water.
You guys won 2 times.
Here's how the next round's gonna go. Your teammate is gonna fill your hands with gumballs. Whoever has the most gumballs in their hand at the end of the round wins. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go.
Here, put your hands like this.
So it doesn't matter how fast you go, but how many you can hold. Get those hands open. Wow, look at Michael's hands. Michael and Daddy are doing great.
We keep on dropping them.
How are we doing? Oh, we might be full.
You can put some more.
Tell me when you think you're full.
Nope, we're not even close. We're gonna finish as many as we can.
Wow, look at all those.
I already know who the winner's gonna be.
Michael, you have so many. Chris, yours is pretty full too. Look at yours, Zach. Oh no, did Michael drop his? Oh no.
It's alright, yeah.
Hurry, Michael, do it again. Hurry, Michael, hurry. Okay, are you about done? Who's about done? Oh no, Chris is dropping.
Oh.
Hold him, Chris. Oh no.
Just don't move. I'll get you some more.
Okay, when you're done, we're gonna count to 3. You have to hold them in your hands for 3 seconds. You guys better hurry, Alyssa and Chris. Don't wiggle.
There we go. We're done.
Okay, I think Zach has them. Zach, put yours in a plate and let's count them.
Can we put ours in our plate?
Is that how many you can hold? Can you put any more? Okay, put yours in a plate.
Maybe one more.
Oh, wow. Okay, count them up, you guys.
11, 12, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30. Alyssa and Chris have 30. Michael's counting up his little tiny gumballs.
So Michael might beat him.
You might. How many do you guys have?
Oh, 28.
Oh,
I told you.
wow. Good job, you guys. The next challenge is to see who can chew 4 gumballs the fastest. So once you chew one, then you can spit it out. Now, Alyssa and David won't do this challenge because they have braces.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys are waiting to see if your teammate can pull through for you on this.
Okay.
Okay.
I can trust you. We have to go fast.
All right, on your mark, get set, go.
Go. True really fast. Right there. True fast. Just like it. Don't pay attention to Zach. Just look. Just don't look at him.
Susan will have to be all the way chewed. That looks pretty good.
It's good. Read this one.
Good. Go to the next one. Hurry. Chew. Has to be all the way chewed. Has to be all the way chewed, Zach. Make sure you're chewing it all the way.
And then immediately can you put both in your mouth? Put it in your mouth.
Go to the last one. Get to the last one.
Hurry.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
I would say those last ones weren't chewed as much as they could be. So Alyssa and Chris pretty much won, but it was practically a tie. Okay, so we need a tiebreaker.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a quick speed round of hand holding, okay? So we're gonna see who can fill up their hands the most in 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Okay, are you guys ready?
That's how long it is.
On your mark, get set, go.
Come on! I'm the one. Now it's Ray's turn.
10 more seconds.
Whoa!
7, 6, 5, 4,
What? Oh, wait.
2, 1.
Over.
Dang it.
Okay, let's count them.
Zach had 6.
And how many do you have, Chris?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, we have a winner of the challenge. Alyssa and Chris.
It helps that our gumball machine was a little faster. Thanks for watching.